All right, so you're in Florida and you want to start a business, but you don't know how to file your LLC. I got you. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you step-by-step how to do it. Number one, you're going to go to Google and type in SunBiz Division of Corporations, and you're going to be able to see this form that says Florida Limited Liability Company. It is $125 to file an LLC in this state of Florida, okay? So make sure you keep that in mind. Now, the first section, it's very simple. It's going to ask you, where is this business located? Okay. Now, if you are working from home, I would not advise you to put your home address on there because it is public. So if I Google you, I will be able to see your home, and that's not safe. And if you ever want to get business funding in the future and get capital, you're not going to be able to do it with a home address. It just doesn't look good. So here, I'm going to show you a website where you can get a cheap virtual business address. All right. So after that, you're going to head to ipostal1.com. I as in igloo, postal1.com, all together one word. And you're going to find a business address in your state. So for this example, we're going to go with Florida. So for example, this office right here, it's $39.99 and it's a beautiful office. You don't want to go with the cheapy ones because those are like post office, like where you send packages. That doesn't look good. So once you purchase that, then you go back to SunBiz and put that address that you just purchased. Okay, boom. All right, so once you're back, you're going to input the address that you just purchased. The next one, it's going to ask you registered agent. A registered agent is just a person that's going to receive mail on your behalf. So if you do ever get sued, that person will get the mail. That person can actually be you. So you're okay to put yourself and your home address in Florida. It has to be somebody that lives in Florida, though. So you can put mom, dad, cousin, friend, whoever it is. You could put yourself, like I said, and put your home address. That is totally fine to do that there, okay? Next up, I'm going to show you how to get your tax EIN number for free. You're going to go to Google and you're going to type in IRS EIN. Don't pay for this. It is literally free to get an EIN number, okay? It should look like this. And so what you're going to do is just click on apply. You're going to put all the business information that you just put on SunBiz, the business address, your name, all that good stuff. And boom, you have an LLC for less than $200. All right. If you need help doing this, if this is still confusing and you want us to walk you step by step and have this done for you, send us a message. Better yet, click the link in our bio. There's a section on there for LLC formation. Talk to you soon.